It's Gifty, the gift to your hair. In today's video, we're going to be doing a deep dive into two popular methods of installing hair extensions, which is microlinks and traditional sewing. If you're thinking about getting hair extensions and are wondering which one is the best for you, stay tuned. We're going to break down the pros and cons and everything you need to know to make an informative decision when getting into extensions. So let's get started. First, we have the traditional sewing. In this method, your natural hair is braided down into a flat braid pattern, and the extensions are sewn onto the braid with a needle and thread. This method has been around for years and is super popular, especially for those looking for a long-lasting style. The pros: sew-ins are generally more durable and can last up to 6 to 8 weeks. They're also perfect for those with thicker hair as the braids hold the extensions securely. However, one thing to keep in mind with sew-ins can become quite uncomfortable to the scalp if installed improperly. The discomfort can come from the braiding hair and the tracks being sewed in. So that is one concern that you have to keep in mind if your scalp can take the pressure. Also, maintenance is after about 2 weeks, you can come in for your maintenance to get it retouched, or you can wear it up to a month. Some people wear their sewing up to an entire month without getting no maintenance. Also, sewing does cost less than your microlinks. So let's get into microlinks. Microlinks are installed using the small microlinks bead, and they are attached to the natural hair in a row. At the base in the video, you see there is an entire row using the microlinks, and I'm going to attach the webs on the microlinks using the needle and thread. And the microlinks is made of the silicone, so it's going to be very gentle on the client's scalp. It's not going to pull or create tension compared to the traditional sewing that is going to cause a lot of tension onto the client's scalp. With the microlinks installed, it is extremely lightweight and natural. The process is quite simple. I'm going to section out your hair, add the beads, add the extensions, and then clamp it securely, and then we will be done right then and there. One of the biggest pros of microlinks, it is very less tension to the scalp. If your scalp is sensitive and you want the least amount of tension between the microlinks to sewing, the microlinks is going to be the best bet. On the downside, microlinks can take a bit longer to install, and it does require regular maintenance, typically every 4 to 6 weeks, to tighten the beads as your natural hair does grow out. When it comes to maintenance, microlinks require regular tightening, which can take a bit of time, especially if your natural hair grows out super fast. So you have to think about the initial costs and the maintenance costs when getting microlinks extensions. So which one is better for you? Are you looking for something natural that allows your hair to move freely and you don't mind regular upkeeps? Microlinks are a fantastic choice. If you need something more durable and don't mind the slightly more involved install process, a sewing might be perfect for you. That is it for today. The comparison between microlinks and traditional sewing. Both methods have their advantages and disadvantages depending on your needs and lifestyle. Which one do you prefer? Drop a comment down below and definitely let me know. Also, don't forget to check out Giiftihair.com for our high quality hair extensions and more information on both methods. If you found this video helpful, please make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends who are thinking about hair extensions. Thank you for watching the video. I'll see you next time. We're going to be covering more about luxury hair extensions.